Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-1 visa, and we're discussing this currently here at the end of July 2020. Got a lot of people asking me, look, we've been through this COVID thing, embassies are shut down, we have this sort of impending furlough out at USCIS. What's going on? What do the processing times look like? I'd love to tell you. Candidly, I'm anticipating things are going to come back to normal and we're going to keep processing through, but I think that's a bad thing to presume at this time. So exactly what processing times are going to look like prospectively remains to be seen. If I talk to a client and I sort of understand the dynamics of their case, I may be able to provide better insight than what I'm providing in this video, because I can let them know what I think with respect to the possibility of a request for evidence, how NBC may view, well, in the case of a K-1, it's not really going to make that big of a difference, but how the embassy may view that case, issues that I can see that may cause delays just in a standard context, but exactly what the backlog is going to look like with respect to the aftermath of COVID-19, it remains to be seen. I will say State Department personnel that I've seen over here over the years tend to go ahead and try to move things through as quick as they can once something like this, ends and we see things come back online. But in matters where I've seen the immigrant visa or the non-immigrant visa unit shut down, it's usually been in cases involving a government shutdown, at most a couple of weeks, or political issues on the ground here, for example, in Thailand, which caused the embassy to suspend certain routine activities. It only lasted a few days. So how multiple months of backlog is going to sort of accrue, I can't tell you what the impact of that is going to be specifically. I have some notions, and again, the specific facts of a given case will give me some better inclination as to how this is going to process through. But just as a general idea, I definitely think it's going to take longer. How much longer remains to be seen.